Let's talk about mortgage protection insurance and what that looks like for you. I think that this is a term of insurance that people are not super familiar with, and so I'm excited to share with you what exactly that is. It is a type of insurance that falls underneath the life insurance umbrella, but we specifically make sure that the coverage is enough to cover your entire mortgage and pay it off if something happens, or if that is too expensive because maybe you owe a lot on your mortgage and that's more than you want to invest right now for that monthly premium, we can actually take a look and we can do it to where it pays off half of your mortgage. Or if that's still a little bit unaffordable or unattainable right now, we could even set up something to where we just make sure that your loved ones have 6 months of payments covered when you pass, so that it gives them time to resituate, have time to grieve, and still be able to pay the mortgage until they get something else figured out. Coming from the real estate world, we've unfortunately seen this a lot where someone passes unexpectedly, they can no longer afford to pay the payment on the house, and so they kind of scramble to get it on the market. And when that happens, again, being from the real estate perspective, a lot of times you end up taking less for the home because you don't have the time to prepare, you don't have the funds to maybe fix a few projects that you have, or to even do fresh paint or cleaning or whatever it may be. And those things don't tend to be super expensive, but when it's added on top of already the stress of losing an income and potentially losing your house because you just lost your significant other or whoever it may be, it's a lot of stress. And so what ends up happening is we end up trying to take care of it the best that we can, but it's rushed. And that's the worst. I hate when we have to do that for people, when we're rushing them through the process. Obviously, we try and take care of them the best that we can, but sometimes you really just need time. And so that's the real awesome thing about the mortgage protection insurance, is it gives you that time. It literally buys that time for your loved ones so that they have the time to grieve, they have the time to pay the payments on things until they can get to a situation where either maybe they can refinance, or maybe they can get a roommate situation, right? Or something like that, or figure something out. It gives them time. So it's literally you buying them time after you pass away so that they can have some options. And that should give you huge peace of mind. And there are mortgage protection options as low as $20 a month. So give me a call or a text and let's talk about it. I think that it's something that everyone should look into. It is such a simple added piece of protection and peace of mind for you and your family. So if you haven't already, let's check out some life insurance options, more specifically mortgage protection insurance. All right, you guys, talk to you later.